We all know that worldwide ang revenues ng sabi ng IATA in 2024, $996 billion ang aviation, almost $1 trillion dollars, no? And I'm not sure now if it was CNN or another news channel. Pinapanood ko yung kasi 'di ba ang Dubai at saka UAE has become a hub talaga eh. So they were talking to airline CEOs about yung mga prospects and then yung nangyari nung pandemic, at sabi nga nila kahit na medyo heavy yung hit nung pandemic sa airport, sa airlines, sa aviation, it really was an opportunity to strengthen eh, 'di ba? And then of course, just like cars na electric, marami na ring mga pumapasok na